Hi everyone! So I just wanted to share with you my project for the Memorydex card and my Fate journaling card. So this one, if you can see, it's actually a 3D. I use foam tapes so that I can have an elevated image here. And then I use stencils, some of the ephemeras from Creative Devotion of American Crafts from Papel at Iba Pa. And then this one, I just write it down with alcohol marker and I think this is a jelly roll metallic. So I'm gonna show you all of the items that I use or the supplies that I use to make this. And this one also is a Fate journaling card. I'm gonna share with you the process as well on how I was able to make both of these lovely projects. So here we go. Okay, so first, for making this project, I would need this. So I'm gonna share with you now. I'm gonna be using the stencil mat from the Crafters Marketplace. This is waffle flower mini stencil mat. I'm also gonna be using the dark room small stencil, which is this one, and as well as this distress oxide tea dye, the brush. I'm also be using the jelly roll metallic, also a marker, a black marker. I'll be using this recollections flower and this prima flower, and as well as this square foam tape and this Creative Devotion ephemera from Papel at Iba Pa. This is American Crafts. So there you go, guys. I'm gonna share with you how I made this. So the first one, what I did was I put this paper here on the mat, so it's very easy to use. Just put it there, it won't move at all. Okay, and then of course you open this tea dye distress ink pad and you just brush it off. There you go. So you have this paper now. So the next step would be to just arrange all of the ephemera and as well as the flowers and this together. So I'm gonna share with you that process. Okay, so these are the ephemeras and flowers that I was able to select for this design. So here's what we're gonna do. We layered it out first and see if that actually works to your liking. That's it. Easy peasy, right? You now have a Memorydex journaling card. So I hope you like it, guys. And then the next one I'm gonna share with you is how I did this one. Okay, so for the next one, we're gonna use this, or we're gonna do this one as well. And then what I actually did was to use this paper and then use the same, stencil mat and this stencil. I put it here and then I just put this acrylic color all over, and then I swipe it with this like that. So after you did that, I'm not gonna do it because it's so it's a little bit messy and it's it would actually take a little bit more time to dry it out. But when you finish that project, this is how it actually looks like. So you have a very good, very nice texture in there of the bricks. So this is what we're gonna use now for our demonstration so that we can remake this one. So it's the same thing. What we're gonna do is use this flowers and get some ephemeras as well in here. Use this particular foam squares and as well as glue. So we're gonna use everything together. So right now I'm just gonna select ephemeras. Hi guys, so these are all of the design that I was able to select. So this would be the flowers that will go here, and then I got this blank one so that you can use it to write down your Bible verse for the day. And then this one I will make sure to put in foam tape so that it is elevated. So that's the layout that we're gonna do. I'm just gonna glue them here and tape it. Alright, so this one, let's use Allen's glue as well. Alright, so there you go guys. I hope you enjoyed this very easy and fast to make journaling cards and Memorydex card. Till our next video guys, please follow our YouTube channel and follow Instagram of Papel at Iba Pa and the Crafters Marketplace. Bye!